Hello, friends, how are you? Friends, whenever we want, we can alter our brain. We can make it think the way we want. Why? Because we are consciousness and we can govern the mind to have that kind of perception, have that kind of cognition, have that kind of sharp vision which we want, right? That is how you'll be called the master of the body, mind, and master of even awareness, because you are witnessing awareness. So, my point is that we have already worked a lot on bones and muscles. Now, what we are working on is the brain as a muscle and the eyes, which are the outer part of the brain, right? तो ज़्यादा बोरिंग नहीं हो जाए इसलिए इसमें एक सॉन्ग डाल देते हैं विच इज़ दैट जीवन से भरी तेरी आँखें मजबूर करें जीने के लिए. अगर आपकी आँखें which is the reflection of the universe, when the universe wants to look at itself, it opened its eyes from outside. So जीवन से भरी तेरी आँखें मजबूर करें जीने के लिए. तो हम कैसे इतना ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेन बनाएं दैट उस ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेन में आपके सारे काम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मुनासिब हो जाएं, राइट? वी हैव ऑलरेडी वर्कड अ लॉट एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अ लॉट अबाउट amygdala, hippocampus, memories, and we've already talked a lot about the prefrontal cortex, which is the main cortex, which is the new brain. The first brain is this, and the midbrain is emotional, and this is the prefrontal cortex, which is the new brain. And the new brain is only the prerogative of the human beings, because that is what governs, directs, and controls, right? The governance is done from the here. Like the government governs the countries, this government, director of the government or minister of the government is here, it governs the whole body. So उसको अच्छा और सेहतमंद रखने के लिए आलमंड्स हैं, अखरोट हैं, पम्पकिन सीड्स हैं, एंड आपके ये सनफ्लावर सीड्स हैं. बिसाइड्स दैट, ओके, we can take some fruits. At this age we have started taking papaya, less of sugary fruits, which have got more fructose in it, not that much but little less. Okay, now let's go further. अब हम ये सारी चीज़ें जान के करेंगे क्या? ये सारी चीज़ें जान के कि हम अपने ब्रेन की केमिस्ट्री को समझ के, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द हॉर्मोन्स ऑफ द ब्रेन, डोपामीन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो टॉकिंग ऑफ द सेरोटोनिन. इन सब को हम किस तरीके से खुद ही निकाल सकते हैं विदाउट एनी एड ऑफ एक्सटर्नल थिंग्स, बाय वे ऑफ योगा, मेडिटेशन, एक्सरसाइजेज, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, एंड देन बाय वे ऑफ वॉकिंग आपके हार्मोन्स निकल आते हैं. अब आपके हार्मोन्स भी निकल आए, आप ब्यूटीफुल भी हो गए, और व्हेन इट कम्स टू द आइज, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मेक देम हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ द साइट, which is a perfect sight 2020. सो उसके लिए हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और उस पर हम लोग रिसर्च करते हैं, और उसके लिए हम लोग अपने वॉट एवर change is required, we are trying to bring the change in it, because we haven't moved our eyes properly for ages and ages, and therefore you've seen लोग बहुत आते हैं, लेकिन after certain age most of the people are wearing specs, and चश्मा छूटता तो नहीं है, चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ता ही जाता है. Therefore proper exercises of the eye, proper care of the eye, that is what we are getting into, and it requires a lot of change in the body also. It requires a lot of remaining little away from the phone. Therefore sometimes I avoid coming in the evening. But अब देखें, beautiful brain, tender heart, strong muscles, and sharp vision, sharp insight, sharp vision. This is what we require from this system. And in order for us to keep the system in that shape, whatever possible is required without pressure, effortlessly. ये नहीं कि हम रोज़ इस पर बहुत प्रेशर डालें, पर बिना प्रेशर के भी हम इसको प्रॉपर केयर करके आगे ले जा सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव टेकन इनफ केयर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. बट दिस एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, this is a study, this is the object of study now, right? And eyes, object of study now, and whatever possibly we can do, we are doing it, ताकि हम इस कंड्यूट से यूनिवर्स में वो देखें जो यूनिवर्स हमें अपनी आँखों से दिखाना चाहता है. यूनिटी, विजडम is the highest, and when it is unity and wisdom, it's nothing but love, because you cannot love one person and say to the other person, I don't love you. It has to be unconditional love. तो कहते हैं कि oh my soul, praise the Lord, praise the Lord, and praise the Lord, and also that whichever kind of worship you want to do. हमारे मुँह से तो हमेशा यही निकलता है, you can say Om Namo Shivaya, you can also say Achyutam Keshavam, Ram Narayanam, Krishna Damodaram, Vasudevam Hari. So इस तरह से सबकी आराधना करते हुए, and we are very grateful to all the parents also which are there and those people who are guiding us in our journey. I've got few days ahead with me now for getting back to and meet the family. Therefore, I'm making all my possible efforts to finish off with my work, and I would request wherever my work is pending to those people that come and finish it up, because from my side it's all done, right? तो आगे चलते हैं. आज की यात्रा आपकी मंगलमय हो. ईश्वर की आराधना करते हुए ओम नमो शिवाय को बोलते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे. एंड ऑब्जर्व, नरिश, मसाज, मूव, contemplate, meditate, and proceed. Okay, God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.